second grade, I'm Mrs. Watkins and I'm so excited to be your teacher. This year is going to be a little bit different for sure, but we are going to make the best of it and have so much fun. You'll see in a few minutes that our classroom doesn't look much different. We're just spaced out a little bit farther, and you each have your own desk, which should be really great because it's all yours to take care of. I can't wait to see you. I hope you have a great rest of your summer. Parents, if you need to contact me for any reason, you can email me at watkinss@muschools.com, or in your welcome packet you will have a information sheet for how to log into Seesaw, and you can do that and get that set up and contact me through there. See you soon.